Hey, what's up everybody? I'm in a 2017 Prius-V. I'm going to show you how to replace the USB aux port down here. This guy right here. You probably want to buy a plastic pry bar interior tool. These, well, you can work on your dash and stuff, and they don't scratch anything because they're like a soft plastic. To be honest though, a small flathead like this, or maybe a thin butter knife, is going to be easier, but you do risk scratching or denting your console. So there's two release tabs on the left and the right. We're going to come in from the right and then just stick our tool in between the USB port and the console, and we're just going to pop it out. Easiest way is to take your small tool and come right on this side right here like this, and then just pop it out like that. Grab it, gently pull it out. There's a pretty good amount of wiring, and then you're going to push this thumb tab button right here like that, and then don't let this go back in the dash, because if you let it go it might want to shoot back in the dash, and then you have to fish it out, which will be kind of tough. So what I'm going to do for that is I'll put my USB down, and then I'll put my tool in here real quick to kind of stop it from going anywhere. Here is the USB. There's a part number on the side. Here's the part number right here. I'll link it below. As of this time, these are only available on Toyota parts dealer websites or at a dealership. Amazon, Walmart doesn't have them right now. There's also an alternative part number you could use when you're looking it up online. So here's on the Toyota website, I matched up the part number, and in this fitment chart, that does fit the 1617 Prius-V. Now when you get your new one, all you got to do is plug it in and then push the USB back in place. There's no radio reset or programming or disconnect the battery, none of that. All you got to do is plug it in. Let's come over here and plug it in. The connector, the black connector, can only go in one way. So we'll go ahead and just squeeze this together. You should hear kind of like a clicking, locking noise. And then we're just going to push it back into place, the same orientation it was when we took it out. Like that, and it's all done. Now if you look right here, I'm going to be transparent with you guys. There is a small little nudge. I'm going to try to smooth that over with my plastic pry bar tool. Got it pretty good, back to normal. You could use these tools to kind of manipulate the surface of the console a little bit. But anyways, that's how you do it. So hopefully this video helped you out, and thanks for watching. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.